As a CEO or CMO of a successful brand, you've built your business on a foundation of integrity and quality, but when it comes to Amazon, are you fully leveraging its potential to maximize your profits? Amazon is a key part of your omni-channel strategy, but with increasing competition and rising advertising costs, that's navigating this platform has been more important to do so efficiently than ever. And that is where Amazon's FBA enrollment opportunities tool can be a catalyst really for your growth. So it is designed to help experienced business owners like yourself to really scale in a strategic way. So what does the FBA Enrollment Opportunities Tool offer? So this tool, it uses advanced machine learning to really look at your product catalog, and then they'll make recommendations for the best ASINs to enroll in the FBA program. So it's kind of like having someone that's a personalized consultant from Amazon that is giving you not just insights, but data-driven insights to really optimize your Amazon sales channel. And this can be a great opportunity, I think, to see where you can move the needle the most for your brand on Amazon, especially if you're a little bit overwhelmed or maybe unsure on where to start. And if you see like listing recommendations, for instance, beyond FBA shipments or transitioning it to FBA, definitely you want to make sure your Amazon listing is optimized, and make sure to check out the video I did here that really walks you through how to optimize your listing if you do convert it over to FBA. Now, Amazon has recently updated the FBA Enrollment Opportunities tool, and that's going to help you as a brand to decide which products to enroll in FBA and to also get a better understanding of the fulfillment costs that are associated with that beforehand, which I think is super helpful. So now you can actually easily identify products that, for instance, that you have in your catalog that are priced under $10 that are eligible for what's called a low price FBA fees. They've changed the name of this over the years, but essentially you get a reduction in FBA fees, and that is compared with the standard FBA fulfillment fees, which is great. That feature really can give you significant cost savings, especially, like I said, for those lower priced items where really every cent counts, because the fulfillment fee and the FBA fees are a little bit larger on those smaller, price products under $10. Now, the nice thing about this is that it will automatically place you in that program. So that is where you'll want to continually analyze your catalog and what you sell on Amazon compared to the market. Also, you want to see if you have any products that are maybe over that $10 price point by just a little, that you may end up saving more money on your fulfillment fees, plus also increasing your conversion rate and sales velocity by updating your price point to get those extra savings. Now, getting started is simple. So first, you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Now, you want to go over to the Inventory tab, and from there, you want to choose Opportunities, and that's where you're going to find the FBA Enrollment Opportunities tool. That tool is going to automatically, like I said, generate a list of ASINs. It's going to be based on their potential for increased sales and those reduced fulfillment costs if you enroll them in FBA. Now, you can filter those recommendations by brand name, like if you have more than one brand in your seller account, and you can also look at promotion eligibility and recommendation types as well. Now, once you've reviewed those recommendations, you can select the ASIN that you want to enroll, and then you could just click that Enroll in FBA button. And there's the tool guides you through the process. It's gonna make it quick and easy to implement. I'm also gonna have a link in the description box below where you can find all this information directly from Seller Central about this program. Now, if you're still unsure about FBA and you just need more information, for instance, on making a decision, I think you'll find this video here where I do walk through the pros and cons of FBA versus FBM that I think you'll find useful for your business. Now, the Fulfillment Opportunities, FBA Fulfillment Opportunities tool, it's really packed with those features that are designed to help really streamline your decision-making process. It's going to look at different factors like your delivery times, the demand, competition, and how much potential sales lift Amazon sees happening. Now, that means that you're not just getting recommendations, but you're actually also getting insights that Amazon is giving you backed by data that's going to help really be tailored to your specific business needs. Now, remember, Amazon does want you to sell more because they do want people that come to their platform to actually convert to a sale. So if you want to keep up with the latest for your brand to stay competitive selling on Amazon, make sure to click like on this video and then subscribe as well so that you can be the first to be notified when we release a new video. Now, by enrolling your products in FBA, you can benefit from faster delivery times, which typically will lead to that higher customer satisfaction and also that increase in sales that most people are wanting. Now, you'll also want to increase your chances this way of getting the buy box. And typically, even if you're the only seller, you should be getting it, but that is something to keep in mind. It's going to give also your products more visibility in general. When you have searches on Amazon, Amazon does typically prioritize those that are Prime eligible and Prime fulfilled FBA. So that's going to really drive more sales. Now, from data we have with helping clients that have actually transitioned from being fully FBA to making their products available FBA. From the FBM to FBA, we have seen as high as a 30% increase in lift in their overall sales, for instance, in that one example, by offering their products FBA, which is phenomenal. Now, you should see on your business reports your unit session percentage or your conversion rate. Typically, that's going to increase when you make that transition as well from FBM to FBA. And typically, like I said, I am usually in favor of FBA, but there are some exceptions to that. So make sure to watch that FBA versus FBM video if you want to learn more about the differences. Now, to get the most out of your FBA enrollment opportunities tool, here's going to be a few tips that'll help you. First, you'll want to regularly check the tool for new recommendations, and Amazon obviously will continually be updating this, but especially think about peak seasons, promotional events that you have coming up. That's going to really make sure that you're taking advantage of the latest opportunities that Amazon's data is telling you essentially through that tool of what's going to help you the most. Second, you can use the tool's filters to really focus on ASINs that are going to align with your business goals. So whether that goal is increasing your sales volume, reducing costs, or just expanding your product market share, that's going to help with that. Also, you can focus on those that will give you the most impact for your bottom line. So this may mean, for instance, because you know your numbers typically, you're going to be prioritizing products that are going to have better margins over those with lower margins. Now, one of the best features is the integration with Amazon's revenue calculator, which I really like. So now you can look and calculate your net margin, net proceeds, total costs all within one place. And you can compare that with your current fulfillment costs, with the FBA costs, and even forecasting expenses like for the holiday season, which is really helpful. Now, this level of insight allows you to plan long term. That's going to really ensure your fulfillment strategy is not only cost effective, but it's scalable as your business grows. So once you've selected those ASINs that you want to enroll, you'll want to download the relevant data points for giving it a deeper analysis and deep dive. You can use the integrated, like I said, FBA revenue calculator as well to look at your fulfillment costs across different channels. You can forecast seasonal expenses, kind of look to make sure you're making the most cost-effective decisions. So acting on those insights quickly is going to be obviously key because that's why they're showing you those. So making sure you're implementing this in a timely manner is going to be really helpful because that's going to most impact your kind of result from those suggestions. Now, whether you're looking to streamline your operations, cutting costs, or expanding your market reach, it is going to be a valuable tool. So with its updated features, I really like that one that now tells you the ability to lower your FBA rates on the prices that are below $10. And also you kind of have that integrated revenue calculator. It's going to really help you with your strategy. And if you want to learn more about the FBA shipment process, you'll want to check out this next video here to learn more about the FBA shipments.